Hello friends, yesterday we have started our second application, that is surface area under the curve. Now second example is find the surface of solid generated by the revolution of the asteroid x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 is equals to a raised to 2 by 3 about x axis. Now we know the equation of asteroid is x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 and a raised to 2 by 3. The parametric equations for asteroid are x is equals to a cos cube theta, y is equals to a sin cube theta, and by plotting we know that asteroids form when the points where it cuts the axis coordinate axis, at that point it forms a cusp. So see, here are the cusp are formed, so therefore this is our required asteroid. Now there is we have to find the surface area of solid generated by the revolution of about x-axis, that is this is my x-axis. Now if I revolve this x-axis, then the region becomes upper half portion. So therefore we know the parametric form. So therefore x is equals to a cos cube theta, y is equals to a sin cube theta. Secondly, differentiate with respect to theta as they are parametric functions, so we have to take the derivatives of both the terms. So dx by d theta is equals to cos cube theta, a is constant as it is, cos cube's derivative is 3 cos square theta, degree reduced by 1, into cos derivative minus sin theta. So I have written this minus sign here, so this become here minus 3a cos square sin theta. Secondly, dy by d theta, now sin cube theta, so a as it is, so sin cube's derivative 3a, so that is 3 degree reduced by 1, 3a sin square theta, sin theta's derivative cos theta. So by this way I found the derivative. Now next, by the formula I required the value of ds by d theta. ds by d theta is obtained under root of dx by d theta square plus dy by d theta square is equals to, apply here dx by d theta and dy by d theta. So therefore I applied here that value taking it square. Whenever I apply the power, we have to apply the power to 3 minus 3a cos square and sin theta. Similarly here also each and every term should be applied the power. So therefore minus 3 square is 9, a square is a, cos square become cos raised to 4, sin square is sin square theta. Similarly here 3 square 9, a square, then sin raised square is sin raised to 4 and cos square. Now here first of all see that 9a square is a common, so I have taken 9a square is common. Now here cos, minimum power of sin and cos is square here, so I have taken minimum power to be common. So minimum power is cos square theta, sin square theta, I have taken common, so sin square goes to outside, cos raised to 4, 2 cos is given, so here remains only cos square. Similarly here it becomes sin square theta. By the fundamental identity, cos square theta is into sin square theta is equals to 1, so this value is 1, so here it is becomes under root of 9a square cos square sin square theta. 9 is the square of 3, this is square, and this is all terms are in square, so take its square root, that become 3a cos theta sin theta. Now this is the value of ds by d theta. Next portion is now to find out the surface area. So therefore the surface area of revolution is about x-axis, so therefore region is distributed into two parts. Now we have seen here the upper half is distributed into two parts, that is two quadrant, first quadrant and second quadrant. So therefore surface area becomes, due to two quadrants, it becomes 2 pi alpha to beta y ds d theta into d theta. Now 2 into 2 pi, that will be equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2. Then y value is, now see the y value, that is a sin cube theta, then ds by d theta is 3a cos theta sin theta into d theta. So 2 2s are 4, due to this 3 become 12, a square pi, 0 to pi by 2, sin into sin becomes sin raised to 4 theta into cos theta d theta. If I see here, this is my f of x and its derivative f dash x is present. So the integration having from now fn x into f dash x dx, that is equals to directly f of n plus 1x upon n plus 1. So here f of x is your sine, its derivative is sin 0 to cos theta d theta, and degree n is equals to 4. So by applying this formula we get its integration is sin raised to 4 plus 1, that is 5, sin raised to 5 upon 5. So hence take its integration now. So by taking integration, this 12 pi square is as it is, sin raised to 5 theta upon 5 from 0 to pi by 2. We know that function 12 pi by 5 is constant, pi a square, so function with upper limit, that is sin raised to pi sin raised to 5 pi by 2 minus sin raised to 5 is 0. Sin 0 is equals to 0, so this value is 0. Sin pi by 2 is equals to 1, 1 raised to 5 is equals to 1. So therefore surface area is equals to 12 by 5 pi a square. Now this is regarding with the second example. Next is now, see, find the surface of the solid generated by the revolution of the loop of the curve x is equals to t square, y is equals to t minus t cube by 3 about x axis. Now this is one of the most important examples. So therefore this example is repeated more than 2 times or 3 times for 5 marks. So I have mentioned here repeated for 3 times for 5. Let the given curve is now x is equals to t square, second is y is equals to t minus t cube. I have taken here t to be common, so here it become 1 minus t square by 3. T square is equals to x, so I have considered this equation and taking its square. So y square is equals to t square 1 minus t square upon 3 whole bracket square. So therefore y square is equals to, instead of t square I have applied its value x, so therefore t square is x here. Next is 1 minus, so that is 1 minus x by 3 square. Now it converted into instead of parameter, this is converted into now Cartesian form. Y square is equals to x into 1 minus x by 3 square is a symmetrical about x axis as power of y is even. We know that while tracing the curve, we know that if the power of y is even, then it is opposite axis. Therefore it is symmetrical about opposite axis. So therefore as power is y having power even, so therefore it is symmetrical about x axis. Then point of intersections, we know the point of intersection. For point of intersection put y is equals to 0, so I opted x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 3. Hence the point of intersection, this is my origin and this point is 3 comma 0. And the curve as x is equal, while putting x is equals to 0, we get y is equals to 0. That means the curve is passing through origin now. So we obtain the points of intersection 0, 0 and 3 comma 0. Therefore y square is equals to x. We need the value of y here, so therefore take its square root now, x raised to 1 by 2 and this is 1 minus x. So by multiplying it become x raised to 1 by 2 minus x raised to 3 by t upon 3. Now differentiate it now, dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 3 here. This is upon 3, this is coefficient. So 3 3 get cancelled, so 1 by 2 1 by 2. So I have taken 1 by 2 as a common, so this become x raised to 1 by 2, this become 1 x raised to plus 1 by 2. So that can be written in this way, and simplification 1 by 2 1 minus x upon x raised to 1 by 2. So therefore dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 1 minus x, or we can say now 1 minus x upon 2 root x. So ds by dx is now equals to, apply the formula 1 plus dy by dx bracket square. So therefore applying that formula, 1 minus x square is bracket square, 2 square is 4 and root x square is x. By simplifying this term, this become here 4x 1s are 4x plus 1, take its expansion now here 1 minus 2x plus x square. I applied here a square, a minus b bracket square expansion. This plus 4x minus 2x become plus 2x. So this be converted into x plus 1 bracket square upon 4x. So x plus 1 upon 2 root x. Now this is the value of ds by dx. Now surface area is equals to 2 pi integration from a to b y ds by dx into dx. So apply the value, this 2 pi is as it is. From the diagram we know that x varies from 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 y is equals to root x into 1 minus x by 3 1 plus x upon 2 root x. Now root x get cancelled. So next is now simplify denominator into denominator, that is 2 pi. Cross multiplication 3 1s are 3. So 3 minus x into 1 plus x upon 2 3s are 6. Or we can say now here this 1 2 and this 2 get cancelled, so remains only, or here I cancel 2 2 and pi by 3 remains. Then by taking its multiplication it becomes 3 into, that is 3 1s are 3 plus 3x minus x 1s are minus x and minus x square into dx. So pi by 3, then separate its integration, 3 is constant, so outside 0 to 3 dx. Then 3x minus 1x, that is 2x, so 2 is constant outside, 0 to 3x dx plus minus 0 to 3 x square dx. Now take its integration, pi by 3 3x, 2 to get cancel x square and this become minus x cube by 3. Now upper limit is 0, so no need to apply, only lower limit is 0, so no need to apply it, only apply upper limit. So pi by 3 3 3s are 9 x square is 3 and minus 3 cube is 27. 27 upon 3 is again 9. So 9 plus minus 9 1 get cancelled. So 9 is remain. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So therefore it is 3 pi. So by this way we get the 3 pi. Now here up to this we can obtain the surface area for Cartesian form and parametric form. Next in next lecture we will see for this is polar form. Thank you.